What's up guys, I just installed this custom firmware on my HTC M9. The version is lineage 15.1 and before I installed the custom firmware I searched for some reviews and I didn't find any good review on it, so I decided to make one. I wanted to see if there is any bug with the phone before installing the custom firmware, and after 2 minutes of using the phone I already found two bugs. So the first one, in the camera, I don't know if you can see as I'm filming, but there we go, you can see the light of the LCD flickering a bit. So this is the first issue. If I turn it on the front camera it's the same result. Okay, so I need to say that the phone is working properly. I mean, it's not a hardware issue. If I am installing stock firmware or another custom firmware, the camera will work properly. And the second thing I saw is that as I am playing some videos, for example, I get no sound. So let's see. We don't want to change the ring volume, we want to change the media volume. As you can see, it's at maximum. The video is playing, as you can see here, but of course no sound. So after I saw these two issues I decided that it is better for me to find some other custom firmwares. So I don't recommend you to install this lineage operating system. I recommend you to find another custom firmware because I think this firmware is full of bugs. I didn't even put a SIM card inside because after I saw these two issues I don't wanna mess anymore with this firmware. I will just put another custom firmware on it and see if I get a stable one and one that is having no such bugs. So thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.